What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about this crypto here called Krill. As you guys can clearly see, it has gone for an insane amount of increase in the last 24 hours, 43% up, and currently trading just under 43 cents. What a coincidence. Again, as you guys can see, the pump literally took place about in the last couple of hours here, pumping from about just under 30 cents all the way up to 43 cents. So why has it pumped up so much? Is it going to keep pumping up to 50 cents and so on, or is it going to crash back down in value? That's what we're going to be looking at in today's video. And also, going into 2024, what can we expect from Krill? Is it a crypto worth investing into right now? Is it too late to buy it? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profit? Or should you hold on to it for the long term? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Krill, which is here in purple at just under 30 cents. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in red at over 43 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards a bullish direction, looking very positive. However, the bad point is that it is looking way too steep for it to be realistic, meaning I'm not expecting an overall pump in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow midday, I'm expecting Krill to have dropped back down below 35 cents is what I'm expecting. However, that does not mean that it's not going to pump up anymore. Over the next couple of hours, it is likely to head up to over 45 cents, potentially hitting 47, 48 cents before it slowly starts to drop back down towards the very end of the day today, and in the early hours of tomorrow down to around 35 cents is what I'm expecting. So yes, it has pumped up quite a bit, but it is overvalued right now, and it is most likely it's going to drop back down in value. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Again, the blue and the orange line are still looking way too steep, going in a bullish direction, meaning once again this is not realistic, guys. So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards mid to end of next week, I am expecting Krill to have once again dropped back down to around 32 to 33 cents in target. So once it drops all the way back down to about 30 cents over the next couple of days, it should slowly start to gain value up to about 32, 33 cents towards the end of next week. So guys, do expect it to be quite volatile with red and green days over the coming days, but clearly the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So yes, do expect an overall drop in value from Krill. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue line is still looking way too steep, and the orange line is slanting towards the positive direction. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, mid to late January 2024, Krill should essentially be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment, heading over 55 to 60 cents is what I'm expecting. Again, that is if the crypto market manages to stay on the green side. And again, guys, Bitcoin, I'm expecting it to stay on the green side over the next 6 to 8 weeks. It is likely to go for a price correction in between, but overall the outcome seems to be more on the positive side. And as you guys can see, since about mid-October, which Krill was trading around, let's have a look here, 19 cents, it has gained an insane amount of value over the last month and a half, heading up to 30 cents, guys. So it has been performing quite well, and I'm expecting this to carry on over the next couple of weeks as well. And again, an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting. Do expect red days in between here and there, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So yes guys, I'm expecting it to head over about 55 to 60 cents by January 2024. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and to hit the resistance target here, we need to hit 59 cents, which I'm expecting it to hit in early 2024, and potentially break out from this zone here, heading into the green zone in Q1 of 2024. We should essentially be going from the red zone into the green zone, and potentially higher than that over the next couple of months by mid to late next year as well, depending on how the crypto market performs. If you guys want regular updates on Krill, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated as much as I can on this crypto. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up massively guys, over 640% in the last 24 hours, making the trading volume just under $2 million, which is again a huge increase in trading, as obviously it's gained a huge amount of value over the last couple of hours. A lot of people are looking into the project. It is one of the top gainers. It's getting attention from both buyers and sellers point of view. So yes guys, a lot of people are buying into it, and people who are seeing the profits are also selling the crypto. So let's get into it. The candlestick pattern chart, those of you asking, would I buy the crypto right now or would I sell it? I would definitely not buy it, because as I mentioned, it is overvalued and I'm expecting it to drop back down in value. So buying it right now is a no for me, because I'm into the long-term hold. So if you're in the short term, is a completely different story, but for the long-term hold, I would not buy it right now. I'd rather buy it when it drops back down. And from the seller's point of view, would I sell it right now? Yes, I would, but I wouldn't sell 100% of it. So if I had $1,000 invested into Krill right now, I would probably sell about 50% of it and basically take out half the profit and keep the remaining 50% into the investment, holding on to it for the long term going into 2024, 2025, depending on how it performs. But yeah, in that way, I've also taken out some profit, and I'm also holding on to Krill as well, which essentially works both ways for me. But yeah, this is my take on this crypto. Potentially guys, hitting the dollar mark, I'm expecting it to hit potentially in the Q3 of 2024 is when I'm expecting Krill to hit the dollar mark. This obviously can change depending on how the crypto market performs with crashes, pumps, bull runs and so on, but I will keep you guys updated if you guys want me to. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting Krill to hit the dollar mark? Let me know, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.